Rachel, I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. In today's video I'm going to show you how to paint this colourful dragon with acrylic paints. This is a sped up video, but if you would like to watch the full-length tutorial where you can paint along with me in real time, then this is available on my Patreon, which is Rachel Froud Art, along with all of my other full-length art tutorials. I'll talk you through the entire process and I'll also share the exact paint colours and techniques that I'm using. I'll add the link in the description of this video. I wanted a green background for this painting to make it look like the dragon is deep in the forest. I created the background with dark green paints using a paintbrush and a sponge to create texture. I then started to paint the first layer of the dragon, starting with the highlights first. I painted all of the lightest areas of the dragon's face that will be facing the sun with a dark yellow paint. I like to start with the highlights and work my way to the shadows. However, some people prefer to do this the opposite way around. There's no right or wrong way to do this, so just experiment and do what feels best for you. I filled in the whole of the right hand section of the dragon's face with warm yellow and orange shades of paint to give the effect of warm sunlight. I love painting in layers because it allows you to build the painting up without putting too much pressure on yourself. Each layer adds something to the painting and it improves so much as you go. This first layer is just blocking in the colours and giving the dragon some form and shape. I'm not adding any texture or detail at this stage, so I don't need to worry about painting any scales yet. It looks a bit strange with just the first layer as the dragon looks really smooth, but don't worry, we'll be adding in all of the fun details soon. I'll be making a video soon showing you a really easy way to paint scales, which is perfect for painting dragons, snakes, fish, lizards and any other reptiles. So once I've uploaded this, I'll add a link to this video for you. Anyway, I'll let you watch the process of this painting. I really hope you enjoy this and I hope you like the finished piece. Let me know what you'd like me to paint next and don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this.